Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a scene of fiends playing hockey, a memory drawing of an athletic game of hockey. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, which Indian renowned painter-sculptor sculpted the recently inaugurated life-size Sachin Tendulkar statue at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, India? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's capture a thrilling game of hockey. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Our first character has a hockey stick in his hand. One of his leg is on the ground and the other is in the air, running towards and leading the ball. Remember to always keep the proportions in check and the shapes as simple as possible. Our second character is standing in front of our first character and defending the ball from the first character. It is very important to keep in mind that what character is doing so that we can draw his body language likewise. Always keep a check of perspective as to where our characters are standing, and henceforth, draw them small or large depending on their position. Now our third character. He is standing a little behind from our first two characters, so you will draw him proportionally a little smaller to express or show perspective. After being done with the positioning of our characters, let's move on to drawing the details like costume and their facial expression. As our first character is a female, so draw the costume and the details accordingly. Rest of the other characters are males. So let us draw the details accordingly. Details like these are very important, which help in establishing our character most strongly. After finishing with the details of the characters, let's move on to drawing the background like trees and bushes. Make sure to keep the background simple to pull attention towards the main action. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our players. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a more better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, an energetic game of hockey. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Renowned painter and sculptor Pramod Kamble sculpted the recently inaugurated life-sized Sachin Tendulkar statue at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.